Forget everything you thought you knew about Amazon salaries. This isn't your grandpa's job market. If you want to know what the tech giant is really paying its top talent, especially those coming from other countries, you're about to get the inside scoop. And stick around because the biggest secret to unlocking these massive paychecks is coming at the very end. Amazon is shelling out serious cash. They're bringing in thousands of highly skilled foreign workers, many from India, for top tech and business jobs right here in the US. In the first 3 months of 2025 alone, Amazon brought in about 11,300 foreign workers through a special visa program. These aren't just any jobs. We're talking high-tech positions like software engineers and data scientists. And the pay? It's eye-popping. Software development engineers at Amazon.com can pull in up to $263,700 a year. Data scientists aren't far behind, earning as much as $239,900. Technical product managers can also hit $235,200. These are some of the biggest numbers out there for tech jobs. Amazon is clearly ready to pay big to get the best people on the planet. This is just the beginning. There's a whole lot more to this money picture. Now, let's break down where this money flows and for what jobs. Amazon's pay changes a lot depending on the exact role and which part of Amazon you're in. For instance, a software engineer working at Amazon Web Services, or AWS, can make up to $185,000. That's still huge money. Here's a snapshot of the salary ranges for some of the most sought-after jobs at Amazon for these specialized foreign workers. Software development engineer. This is a big one. The pay can range from around $85,000 to $263,700. Even within Amazon, these salaries vary. For example, in Amazon's data services, engineers get between $108,000 and $223,600. In Amazon's Development Center US, it's from $95,000 to $260,600. Data scientist, you could see from $92,000 to $239,000. This is a critical role in Amazon's future, helping them understand massive amounts of customer data. Product manager, technical, these roles are in demand, paying from $136,000 to $235,200. They bridge the gap between business and tech, ensuring products hit the mark. Software development manager, if you're leading a team of engineers, you could earn from $148,000 to $287,700. This is often one of the highest base salaries listed. Data engineer, these jobs range from $70,000 to $236,300. They build the systems that handle all the data. Financial analyst, even non-tech roles can pay big, with financial analysts earning from $94,000 to $204,000. Solutions architect, these experts design tech solutions for clients and can make from $112,000 to $225,000. Applied scientists, highly specialized roles can pay from $83,000 to $260,000. Business intelligence engineer, these folks help Amazon make smart decisions with data, earning from $96,000 to $176,000 at AWS and up to $193,200 in Amazon.com services. This wide range shows Amazon is not just throwing money around randomly. They have a very clear plan for how they pay. But the base salary is only one part of the story. There's a lot more influencing these numbers, and knowing these factors is key to understanding the full compensation picture. So, what makes Amazon decide if you get the low end or the high end of these ranges? It comes down to a few critical things: your job, your experience, where you live, and how well you perform. Your experience level, Amazon has a leveling system, typically from L4 for newer engineers all the way up to L8 for very senior folks. The higher your level, the more responsibility you get and the bigger your paycheck. Climbing these levels can unlock huge increases in your total pay. Location, location, location. Where your job is located matters a ton. Jobs at Amazon's main headquarters in Seattle often pay more than remote positions or roles in other cities. Why? The cost of living is higher there, and a lot of the super important projects are based out of HQ. Hotspots for high-paying tech jobs also include California, Seattle, and Austin. Places like Santa Clara, California, are big hubs for some of the absolute highest-paying roles, especially for chip design and AI. Your team and what you do. Jobs within super important parts of Amazon, like AWS, or areas focused on cutting edge AI and machine learning, tend to offer higher pay. That's because these divisions bring in huge money for Amazon and are shaping the future of tech. Your skills are money. Amazon wants people with specific in demand skills. If you've got these, your salary potential jumps big time. Programming languages, Java, Python, Go, C++. Cloud expertise, especially AWS services like Lambda, ECS, and EC2. Knowing Terraform is also a huge plus. Machine learning, skills in PyTorch, TensorFlow, and SageMaker are super hot. Data know-how, SQL, Redshift, DynamoDB, and Spark. Other key skills, Kubernetes, Docker, system design, and API development. Getting certifications, like being an AWS Certified Solutions Architect, can also boost your chances and your pay. Negotiate is expected. This is a huge tip. Amazon expects you to negotiate your job offer. If you show your worth, you can significantly increase your starting bonus or the amount of company stock you get. Don't leave money on the table. All right, here's the big secret. The base salary you see is often not the full story of what Amazon pays. Amazon's total pay package is built on three main parts. Base salary, this is your fixed yearly pay. But here's the kicker. For most mid level jobs, it's often capped at around $165,000. This means Amazon wants to spread out the pay and really push for that next component. Sign on bonus, this is a one time cash bonus. It's usually paid out over your first 2 years and helps make up for less company stock in those early days. It's a nice chunk of immediate cash to get you started. Company stock or restricted stock units. This is where the real money often is, especially for the top jobs. These are shares of Amazon stock that you don't fully own right away. Instead, they vest over time, usually over 4 years. They are often back-weighted, meaning you get less in the first year or two and more in the later years. This is a super smart move by Amazon to keep you around for the long haul. For example, a senior performance engineer working with graphics processing units, or GPUs, can make between $180,000 and $340,000. A machine learning profiling specialist can command between $270,000 and $420,000. These jobs are focused on the cutting edge of AI, which is where Amazon is pouring a ton of money and effort. They're building massive AI supercomputers and need the best brains to do it. Despite the big salaries and the hiring blitz, Amazon has also been cutting jobs in other areas. They've been trimming their workforce, especially in parts of AWS, because of a new focus on AI and making operations leaner. Amazon CEO even warned that AI could lead to fewer people being needed for certain jobs. But here's the important part. Even with layoffs, Amazon is still heavily investing in AI and related tech, meaning they need the absolute best talent in those areas. They regularly check their pay structures to make sure they're competitive and can keep attracting the best people from all over the world. So if you're looking to get into Amazon, understand that while the base salary is good, the stock grants and bonuses are where you can truly boost your income. Always try to negotiate, focusing on the total package, not just the base salary. Show them your value, especially in areas like AI and cloud computing, and you could be looking at a seriously lucrative career. Think of it like a puzzle. The base salary is one piece, but the sign-on bonus and, most importantly, the company stock are the other massive pieces that complete the picture and show you the true value of working at Amazon. Without all the pieces, you're missing out on the whole amazing image. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more money insights, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video.